Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I wanted to do a quick introduction and let you know that I'll be doing a giveaway for a keychain. I'll post the picture up over here. It's from the runoff of this pour because I don't try to waste anything. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below, and I'll pick a random winner. And at the end of the month, I'll announce who that winner is. So enjoy the video. Let me know what you think. One other thing really quick, guys, is I actually made these hearts, and I did a couple of them a couple different ways over on my main channel. So if you want to check that out, I'll make a comment from my main channel and pin it down below, and you can just link to there and you'll see that video.
That looks like ketchup and that looks like honey mustard. Wow, look, I love it, Dad.